addressing the subconscious fears and expectations. So we are all good with the conscious ones. We feel them, we know them. But then, of course, it gets tricky when the fears and the expectations are subconscious. You are not aware of them. They are pretty much invisible. And the meditation is about making some of those fears or expectations aware, conscious, visible, so that then you can sit with them. From my experience, it's really one of the most overlooked components of preparation, but they are the ones that actually minimize the risks the most and maximize the benefits the most. Because when the subconscious fears and expectations are addressed and soothed and relaxed, that's when you have the least amount of resistance, of fear, of panic, of anxiety, also during the experience. Okay, so you can just start by closing your eyes and taking a couple of deep breaths just to really ground yourself with this moment here and now. And I would invite you to imagine a campfire out in a place in nature that you like, in a place that feels safe, but that also feels in a way immersed in beauty, in a place maybe that you already know in nature, or in a place that you can create in your own mind. And you can notice all the details of this place, of this campfire in front of you. And also feel it with all your senses. Notice if maybe there's a breeze caressing your skin, moving your hair. Noticing if it's a day and there's the warmth of the sun shining on you. Or it's night, there's a bit of chilly air and the crickets cricketing around. And maybe noticing there's the smell of the wood burning. And really just taking a moment to feel at home in this place. And as you're here, I'd like you to imagine an experience you would like to prepare for. And bring the intention of this experience throughout your body with your breath. So just breathing throughout your body, bringing the knowledge or the intention of this experience everywhere through your body. And invite any part of you, any bodily sensation, any emotion, any thought that emerges, to just invite them all to sit at the campfire with you. Everything is welcome. Whatever it might look like or feel like, just make space for it. And you can invite anything that is holding fears about what might happen in that experience, during or after it. And you can invite anything that might hold an expectation of what should happen during or after that experience. And you can invite anything that is holding hope to receive help, to be soothed, or receive healing, or simply enough to be seen and heard and witnessed. Notice how your body is feeling because of this invitation. And just see if there's anything is there with you that wants to share with you, whether it wants to share fears, expectations, or hopes. See if that's okay to hold space and curiosity and allow that sharing to happen. Maybe noticing how you feel towards whatever has been shared with you. And see if it's okay to just allow it to be there without having to do anything about it. Just showing that it's okay, that it's there, acknowledging that it's there. And see if that's okay to notice if there's anything else present that wants to share with you. And I will leave you a little time to notice whatever is present for you as a thought, a part, a feeling, an emotion, a bodily sensation, so that they can share whatever they need you to know. And just simply allowing and acknowledging that they're there. And see if it's okay to reassure any part of you or sensation of fear that they're not going to be alone, that they can come with you and be with you, and that you are going to be with them. And that if there's anything that they have been carrying that is heavy, they can offer it to the medicine. See if that's okay. Invite any of whatever is present with you to show you what they need to feel safe in that experience. And see if you can receive their requests. And see if that's okay to invite anything that is holding an expectation. Share with you what they're scared would happen if that expectation is not met. And see if it's okay to make space for anything that is hoping to receive comfort or love or healing, or simply enough to be seen and heard and witnessed, and to let that feeling or part of you to show itself and share with you what it needs. And if it feels right for you, you can hold space for everything that is there. Thanking for coming in, for showing themselves, and for trusting you. And as you do so, see if that's okay to take a few more deep breaths, breathing throughout your body. Bringing your presence with your breath throughout your body. With a sense of gratitude towards everything that you are and everything that is inside of you. With the intention of bringing all of you into your experience. Knowing that the medicine will always accept and welcome all of you. And you can take all the time that you need to open your eyes and come back at your own pace. Welcome back.